There you go. See how fast you go? So much faster. Can you sit down? Yep. Stop. Okay, I want to see you move your arms. Come get me, Daddy. Go. Move those arms. Come on.
Great! Great! Was that fun?
No.
Hey, Cash. Cash! Was that fun?
Look at Mommy. Mommy's talking to you.
Was that fun?
Yeah.
Good. Are you a good swimmer?
Yeah.
Ready? All the way down. Good job.
He stayed underwater even when he was right there. What a good kid.
Take a big scoop. Scoop, scoop, scoop.
Daddy, look at this kid swimming. Woohoo!